Rohan and his elder brother had a bet. They wanted to find out who is the stronger between them, who weighs more. So both of them stepped on the weighing machines. Rohan's weight was 25 kgs, whereas his elder brother's weight was 45 kgs. Now, can you tell me who is actually the stronger between Rohan and his brother? Now, when I ask you this question, what question am I asking you? I am actually telling you to compare 25 and 45, which are two numbers. So, I am asking you to compare these two numbers and tell me which number is greater. Now, we make such comparisons every day. In fact, at times we make these comparisons several times in a day. So, say for example, your friend and you have some candies. Your friend here has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 candies, and you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 candies. So then you always think whether she has more or I have more. So you make these sort of comparisons throughout the day. Who has scored more runs in a cricket match? Who has got more marks in the examination? Who has got more chocolates? And all sorts of comparison. So wouldn't it be easy if you know how to compare two numbers in a quick way? Now, do you recall these symbols? This is the greater than symbol. This is the less than symbol. And this is the equal to symbol. Now, what do these symbols mean? Do you recall the story of the evil alligator? The evil alligator always used to open his mouth wherever he saw a bigger number. He used to open his mouth and eat it up. So in this case, we have 6 and 3. Now between 6 and 3, 6 is the bigger number. So the evil alligator will open his mouth towards 6. So we see that his mouth is open towards 6. And this symbol is the greater than symbol. So the greater than sign eats up the greater number on the left. So this number is the greater number or the bigger number, and when we have a bigger number on the left, we use the greater than sign. So this actually indicates that the alligator's mouth is open towards the left. Now once again we have two numbers 4 and 8. In this case 8 is the bigger number. So the evil alligator will open his mouth towards 8 because it always wants to eat more. So we see that his mouth is open towards 8. And this symbol is the less than symbol or the less than sign. And it eats up the greater number on the right. So this is your right. So 8 is the greater number which is on your right. 4 is the smaller number which is on your left. So we use the less than sign. This sign is called the less than sign because this is read as 4 less than 8. 4 less than 8. So this is the less than sign. And in this case we have 10 and 10 on both the sides. So the two numbers are the same. So we use the equal to sign. It is used between two numbers which are same or equal. This is the equal to sign used between the numbers which are equal. What we read it as 10 is equal to 10. So when we compare two numbers, we can always count the numbers. We can always count till we reach the greater number to find which of the two is the bigger number. But what if we have a huge number? What if we have a 3-digit number? Will you count all the numbers till the 3-digit number to find which of the two numbers is the greater one? So let's learn some tricks to easily find out which of the two given numbers is the greater number. So let's find some tricks for comparing two numbers. The first trick is count the number of digits in each number. The number with more number of digits is greater. So when you have two numbers, you first need to count the number of digits in each of the number. And the number which has more number of digits will always be greater. So in this case, we need to compare these two numbers. So firstly, we need to count the number of digits. So in this case, this is 203. How many digits are here? 3. This is a 3-digit number. This is 99. 99. How many digits are here? 2. This is a 2-digit number. Now, the number which has greater number of digits will be bigger. 3 is more than 2. So this number 203 has greater number of digits than 99. So 203 will be bigger than 99. So which symbol or sign do I need to put here? The greater than sign. Because if you have a bigger number to your left, you put the greater than sign. So this is the greater than sign with the mouth open towards the bigger number. It is read as 203 is greater than 99. Now can you try out this one on your own? So how many digits does 111 have? 111. It has 3 digits. And how many digits are there in 11? Just 2. So the number with more number of digits will be greater. So 111 is greater than 11. Now the mouth will be open towards the bigger number. So this is the sign that we need to use. 111 is greater than 11. Now let us go to the second trick. If both the numbers have equal number of digits. So we saw the examples in which one number had 3 digits and the other number had 2 digits. But what if both the numbers have 3 digits? Then what do we do? Well, we come to our second trick. So then we need to compare the first digit. If the first digit is greater, the number is greater. So suppose you have these two numbers. So the first thing is counting the number of digits. The number of digits in 231 is 3. The number of digits in 192 is again 3. So the first trick does not help us in this case. So we go to the second trick. That is, if the number of digits are equal, compare the first digit of the numbers. So what is the first digit here? 2. And what is the first digit here? 1. Now which is bigger? 2 or 1? Obviously 2 is greater than 1. So the number which starts with 2 will be bigger or greater than the number which starts with 1. So we put this symbol, the greater than symbol. 231 is greater than 192. Now let us compare these two numbers, 498 and 438. So the first thing is to count the number of digits. We see that the number of digits here is 3 and the number of digits here is 3 again. What's the next trick? The next trick is to compare the first digits. The first digit is 4, and in this case, it is 4 again. So the first digits are the same in this case. So how do we distinguish numbers like this? These are two different numbers with the same first digits. So then how can we say which of the two is bigger? So for that we have another trick which says if the first digits are equal, then compare the next digits of the two numbers. If the digit is greater, the number is greater. So if the first digits of the two numbers are the same, then you need to compare the next digit, and the number with a greater digit is more. So let's come back to our numbers once again, 498 and 438. We saw that the first digits are 4 and 4, which are the same. So I move to the next digit, which is 9 in this case and 3 in this case. So which is greater, 9 or 3? Well, 9 is greater than 3. This means that this number is greater than this number. So 498 is greater than 438. So we use the greater than symbol once again. Now can you try out this one on your own? So first thing is to count the number of digits. As we can see, the number of digits here is 3 and the number of digits here is 3 again. So the first trick does not work. The second trick is to compare the first digit. The first digit of this number is 8 and the first digit of this number is 8 as well. So the second trick also does not work because the first digits are the same. What was the third trick? Go to the next number, which is 6 here and 7 here. So which is more, 6 or 7? 7 is more than 6. So 872 is more than 863. So the mouth of the alligator will be open towards this number and we use this symbol. This is the less than symbol. We read it as 863 is less than 872. Now can you solve this one? So as we can see, the number of digits in both the numbers is the same, which is 3. The first digit here is 6. The first digit here is 6 again. So we cannot use the second trick as well. So we move on to the next digit. The next digit here is 7 and the next digit here is 7 again. So how do we compare these two numbers then? The third trick is also not working. Well, don't worry. We have another trick. That is, keep on applying trick 3 till you find the greater number. So keep on applying trick 3 till you find a greater number. Means what? You saw that the first digits are equal and you move to the second digit, which is 7 and 7. Now once you see that the next digit is also equal, you move to the next digit, which is 6 in this case and 2 in this case. So what does trick 4 mean? If the digits in the two numbers which we are comparing are equal, then you move on to the next digit. So in this case it is 6 and in this case it is 2. So 6 is greater than 2. That means 676 is greater than 672. And this is the last trick. If all the digits in the two numbers are equal, then the numbers are equal. So in case like this, there are 3 digits in both the numbers. So the first trick does not work. The second trick is to compare the first digit, 7 and 7, which are the same. So the second trick also does not work. The third trick was to compare the next digit, which is 5 and 5. It does not work. Then we compare the last digit, which is 2 in this case and 2 in this case. Now there are no more digits left. So there is no digit to the right of 2 which I can compare in these numbers. So I have found that all the digits of both the numbers are equal. This means that the numbers are equal and we use an equal to sign. This is the equal to sign. I say 752 is equal to 752. Now can you try out this one on your own? Well, once again, we have two 3-digit numbers which we need to compare. The first digit is 9. The first digit is 9 here, which are the same. So I move to the next digit. So 0. I move to the next digit. 0. Once again, 0 is equal to 0. So I move to the digit after 0, which is 7. And from here, digit after 0 is 7 again. So all the digits of this number are equal to the digits of this number. So we can say that 907 is equal to 907. So this is how you can compare two numbers, any two numbers, no matter how big they are, using the different tricks. So try out comparing the different numbers so that you can compare them easily.